hearing this strange sound coming up from underneath the earth. It's not only a sound and a vibration, but it is moving objects, and they can feel it through their body and they can hear it coming up through metal. Watch this.
There's something under the ground, and it sounds like it's about to bust out.
So when I heard that sound, I was like, that sounds exactly like something is tunneling underneath the earth. Now, a lot of you have been making me aware of the fact that there are crisscrossing grid tunnels all under the United States, all under these major cities, just like there are in Europe and older cities like that around the world. In fact,